50 household items names in English. Sofa. A comfortable seating option for multiple people. Table. A piece of furniture with a flat top and legs. Chair. A seat with a back, typically for one person. Bed. A piece of furniture for sleeping. Lamp. A device for giving light. Television. An electronic device for watching shows and movies. Refrigerator. An appliance for keeping food and drinks cold. Oven. An appliance used for baking and roasting food. Microwave. A small appliance for quickly heating food. Toaster. An appliance used to toast bread. Blender. A device for mixing or pureeing food and liquids. Coffee maker. A machine for brewing coffee. Washing machine. An appliance for cleaning clothes. Dryer. An appliance for drying clothes. Vacuum cleaner. A device for cleaning floors and carpets. Iron. A device for removing wrinkles from clothes. Ironing board. A flat surface for ironing clothes. Dishwasher. An appliance for washing dishes. Trash can. A container for waste. Broom. A tool with a long handle for sweeping floors. Dustpan. A flat container used to collect dust and dirt. Mop. A tool for cleaning floors with water. Bucket. A container for holding liquids. Curtains. Fabric panels used to cover windows. Rug. A floor covering, typically made of woven fabric. Clock. A device for telling time. Mirror. A reflective surface for viewing oneself. Bookshelf. A piece of furniture for storing books. Cushion. A soft pillow for sitting or leaning on. Blanket. A piece of fabric used for warmth. Pillow. A soft support for the head while sleeping. Wardrobe. A large, tall cabinet for storing clothes. Dresser. A piece of furniture with drawers for storing clothes. Nightstand. A small table beside a bed. Laundry basket. A container for holding dirty laundry. Shower curtain. A waterproof curtain for the shower. Bath mat. A mat placed outside the bathtub or shower. Towel. A piece of fabric used for drying. Toothbrush. A tool for cleaning teeth. Toothpaste. A paste used with a toothbrush for cleaning teeth. Soap. A substance used for washing and cleaning. Shampoo. A liquid for washing hair. Conditioner. A product used after shampoo to soften hair. Hair dryer. A device used to dry hair. Comb. A tool with teeth for arranging hair. Razor. A tool for shaving hair. Measuring cup. A container used to measure ingredients. Can opener. A device for opening cans. Knife. A tool with a blade for cutting.